Okay, so I am going to be making a video about how to transfer a vinyl decal to whatever surface you would like. I'm mainly doing this video so I can have something to send I send my vinyls to that they make a purchase from on Etsy. I sell a lot of cute decals, all different colors and different types of vinyls, and I remember the first time I tried to do it, I was so completely confused. So now it might come like this without the transfer tape attached, or it will come with the transfer tape attached, which looks like this. So you have that grid there. So we're gonna put it over our vinyl decal here. And you can use a credit card or some sort of scraper tool. And you're gonna go up and down and then back and forth. And then we're gonna turn it around and we're gonna do the same thing. So now, in a perfect world, when you're gonna wanna pull this white piece back at an angle and also kind of just make it roll back on each other. And in a perfect world, all of the letters transfer to the vinyl. Okay, we have a perfect world today, at least for that one. So I'm just going to do it with this one here, just so you guys can see it again. So like I said, it might come without the transfer tape attached. If that's the case, then you just put the transfer tape on top, or it might come like this already. If I sell a decal, I'm gonna attach the transfer tape already. It's just one less step and, you know, possible source of confusion. Okay, so pull back at an angle, and there we go. All right, so I'm gonna move, and we're gonna put it on some of my makeup storage. Okay, so I'm gonna take my vinyl decal and, wait, which storage? Not that one. Shoot, which one was it? Okay. And I'm gonna put it up in the corner, or not, yeah, just so that I don't know. All right, so now I'm gonna take my scraper, or if you're just using a credit card, and we're gonna do the same thing we did before. And now we're going to peel this back at an angle, and you might have little areas that you're just gonna have to go back over if it starts not to stick. But ta-da! There we have a successful vinyl transfer. You can also try pulling it from a different angle, or maybe from bottom up, and then also, you know, worst case scenario, you could use some heat, like a blow dryer. Okay, so, you know, there was a little bit of difficulty with that one, but they are on and they're super cute. I hope this video was helpful.